Alright, for the next stage of writing task, that number 2, to do with the objects, choose one of the objects to focus on. And then refer to the questions that are on the PDF that was also sent to you. These questions will help you to develop a piece of writing, alright? So the questions are, how did you or someone discover the object had this surreal quality? Was it by accident? Were you doing the dishes and suddenly a voice popped out of the jar? What happened? How did you discover this surreal quality, this magic quality? Question 2. Are you trying to keep this magic surreal quality a secret? If so, why? And from who? What would happen if that person discovered the secret? Question 3. What problems has this object caused? The magic quality, the surreal quality of this object, what problems has it caused, or what problems has it solved? For instance, this secret jar keeps spilling open and revealing people's secrets, and I'm getting in trouble for it. And what questions does it raise or answer? Might be a difficult one. What questions does the object raise or answer? What questions do you have to do about this object? Try and answer as many questions as possible, but if you can't, if you're struggling, it's fine, okay? It's fine. And then, after you've answered the questions, allow yourself like 12 minutes to, or as long as you want really, but I'll say 12 minutes, and write about this object, including the everyday descriptions, including the answers, and this could take form of a scene of a story, or a poem, or a monologue, or just a piece of writing without any labels attached. So use all the information you've gathered, the descriptions and everything, and try and write something. Good luck.